This is the wrap-up for the live market open for Wednesday, August 24th. All in all, we're still in summer mode just a bit. US dollar in general is having a bad month, but is finding some stability at the moment. The mood is relatively relaxed. Oil prices begin topping out after an amazing month so far, rising from below 40 to above 48. And we're seeing a grower correlation, an inverse correlation between oil prices and the US dollar. Post-Brexit data looks okay, but the pound is sort of failing to capitulate, to take advantage of this, to take advantage. Anyway, there's also a growing debate about the Federal Reserve. What's its role? What will it target? Why is it so bad in forecasting? And that leads us to the main event of this week, of course, the Jackson Hole Symposium. Before that, the Fed, talking about the Fed, we had the Fed minutes. He showed no rush to raise rates. We have a vocal but very small minority of Fed officials wanting a rate hike soon. UK data looks good. Canadian data doesn't look good, but the Canadian dollar is a slave to oil prices. Australian unemployment rate falls to 5.7%. Good news, but also we aren't seeing the Aussie rallying hard. US new home sales, yesterday we learned that they leaped back to levels last seen in 2007, but we should take it with a grain of salt. We've already been there in the past. Okay, agenda for today, relatively light calendar, existing home sales and crude oil inventories. Sort of US dollar focused. Tomorrow, the German IFO business climate. Let's see if the mood continues improving in Germany. This could support the euro. And durable goods orders, important for the Fed, important for investment for the longer term. Friday is a very busy day. We have an update on UK GDP at 8:30, GDP in the US, and Yellen's speech in Jackson Hole. We had a long preview, but let's just say that September is probably not the month to raise rates, but she may lay out her vision, her view on the economy, and the speculation low volume and in the summer and on Friday could mean quite a bit of action, even if she doesn't say anything, but it'll be closely watched. Okay, let's look at the charts. So euro dollar currently 113, not going anywhere fast. 113.60 resistance, 112.40 support. Pound dollar when just under 132, 132.50 resistance, 130.60 support. Dollar yen, well, hardly moving at all, above 100, a bit shy in falling under 100 again. 100.80 is resistance, low support 96.60. Dollar CAD 129.20, looking for the next hint from oil prices. Support 129.10, resistance 130. Aussie dollar currently at 76.10, support 75.80, resistance 76.50. And the Kiwi dollar made a false break to the upside, support anyways 72.60, resistance 73.40. Let's see if it can find a chance to move higher once again. Okay, so that's our show for today. Remember, a big event is Jackson Hole, more important than GDP. And can always, as always, watch the full show and the special segments. Today we had a special segment about the euro dollar and the stormy September that awaits it. And you can watch it all over again on FX Street. It will be available later on today. It will be available also on Forex Crunch. I also mentioned live coverage of the GDP on Friday. Valeria Bednarik, Mauricio Carrillo, and myself will be covering it. Friday, the event itself, the release is at 12:30 GMT. We'll begin with the preview a few minutes beforehand, I guess about 12:15 GMT. Anyway, thanks for everybody that came. I hope, well, not too many people today because it's summer. Hope you're enjoying your vacations. Wish everybody a safe and successful trading day. See you either on Friday or next week. That's it for today. Thank you and bye-bye.